In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Substack URL. If you've been wanting your profile link to better match your brand or be easier to share, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it and what to expect along the way. First, open Substack and click your profile. This takes you to your public profile page, where you can immediately see the current URL in your browser's address bar. You'll notice that your name, also known as your handle, appears in that URL. This handle is the short identifier that helps people find you, and it forms the last part of your Substack profile link. To change it, click Edit Profile. This opens your profile editor, where you can adjust how your page appears to others. In this editor, look for the Handle section and click Edit. This is where you control the exact text that shows up in your profile URL. You'll see a suggested handle based on your current name, but you can also create one you prefer. Keep it short, clear, and easy to remember. Consider something that matches your publication's identity so it's consistent across platforms. Avoid special characters and spaces. Stick to letters, numbers, and, if allowed, simple separators. If the handle you want is already taken, try a slight variation that maintains readability. Once you're happy with your choice, click the button to update your handle. This confirms the change and applies it to your profile. Take a moment to double-check the spelling here. Small typos can make your URL harder to share or remember. After that, click Done to exit the editor. You'll return to your profile view. Look back to the address bar, and you should see that your URL has changed to reflect your new handle. If you don't see the update immediately, refresh the page so your browser pulls in the latest information. That's all there is to it. You opened Substack, went to your profile, checked the existing URL, entered the profile editor, edited your handle, confirmed the update, clicked Done, and then viewed your new URL on your profile. From here, you can use this cleaner link wherever you promote your work. It's a small change that can make a big difference in how easily readers can find and remember your page. If you later decide to refine your branding again, you can repeat the same process and select a handle that fits your direction.